Create, fork, and comment on Sparkpages. How to create your own Spark page. Let's rebuild the web together at Genspark. Click the Generate a New Spark Page button to start creating. Here, you can easily become a creator of knowledge in the Genspark community with our powerful AI tools. For example, input tips for tennis beginners. Genspark will quickly generate a new Spark page for you. From mastering footwork and choosing equipment to learning essential drills. You can edit, delete, and add content, text, images, YouTube videos, or links. It looks like we have a well-rounded guide. But as a tennis beginner, you probably have some insights that AI might miss. For example, how to choose a racket. Great question. This is exactly why our community needs your input. Use the built-in Copilot on the right to get some beginner racket recommendations. Click the Add button to include these racket recommendations in your Spark page. Now, you've created a unique and insightful Spark page. If you choose to make it public, other tennis beginners in the community will be able to see your work. How to comment on Spark pages. To become a creator, writing a Spark page from scratch is not the only way. By simply adding a word or two, you can contribute to the community. Here is a Spark page about headphones. On the page, you can add your comments literally anywhere. It's as easy as highlighting and making notes while you read books. Just select any text with your mouse and add your comment. As a consumer, whether you love it or have a different take, your voice matters. How to fork Spark pages. When planning a trip, starting with an existing itinerary is a good idea. Here is a road trip itinerary for South Dakota that looks great, but we would like to make a few adjustments. Click the Copy and Create My Plan button in the top right corner. Now that you are in edit mode, the itinerary has been copied over. You can continue to add details as you like. The AI Copilot is still there to assist you. Try asking for recommended restaurants near the attractions. The AI Copilot will generate restaurant recommendations, each with reliable source references. If you're satisfied with the results, you can add the restaurant to your itinerary. You can keep editing your itinerary, remove any results you don't like, or continue discussing with the AI Copilot to add more details to your plan. Now it's your turn. Join us to rebuild the web. Share your passions and be part of a vibrant community.